3, 2, 1, let's go! Pa-exam na ng bata. Exam serye. Di pa natapos-tapos. 43 questions start kahapon. So, wa pa na human. Napa siya sa mga mid kaligitnaan. Mat manggod uy. Mat siya. So, lisod kaayo. Lisod kaayo para sa ila. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Na uban problem solving, na uban numbers lang. Pero syempre bata dire. Na uban wa pa nila na topic. So, lisod ang bata. So, muna yung ako taga-bantay. So, while gabantay-bantay ko there's bata, isa lang ni siya. Pero dapat bantayan man yun. Ang dapat i-separate siya sa ubang kuan sa iba. Ang yang mga classmate is naglaso na sila. Siya lang na behind. So di man siya pwedeng iipon dito kay di man siya concentrate. So munang ako nagbantay. So ano pud sa ako no? Kay kulay-kulay lang sa tadari. Ana. So, while nagulat sa iya, nga mahuman siya. While nagulat nga mahuman siya, hala, lakaw-lakaw ta. Nabawas-bawasan na itong bilbil. O yung akong background ay is, marini ang football ground sa elementary and high school. So, I'm here in like sensory room or sabani. Basta kung ang mga bata is magwala o kailangan ng mga peaceful mind, diri sila kaibutang. So, diri ko nang pa-exam. Tuyok-tuyok lang taani kay para walking. Oh, ako din idea. Para ako rin yung gitabunan og star sa diha mga bata. Diyos ko, grabe ka mga ano. Miss, what is that? Ano a star of the week? Okay, very good. Maski unsan man ang kita unya na din ni dula-dula dari So ina niya mga bata, blue, red, yellow, green, light blue, red, purple, orange, purple, green. Naay hula hoop, naay sabay siya kiling-kiling, timbang-limbang hana apoy kining bola pa sa lingkuran nya gymnast ng anak-anak kanon lingkuranan napay half moon, croissant dapat sa style ani lingkuranan nga nay kala ko may drawer, wala pala. Hawiran lang dahil ni. Grabe ka bigat. Nga na ay BenQ monitor. Ay, gilak na rin. Nada siya exit na rin. Is it so hard? What's the question?
Michael has 2 oranges. One orange has a mass of 271 grams, and the other one has mass of 300 grams.
What? The question is, what is the difference in the mass of the 2 oranges? So if they're asking differences, so what is how many difference from 300 to 271? So you need to minus. Same what you did. Okay? No, the number should be, the bigger number should be up. For the minus or subtraction, the bigger number should be up. Okay? The first one. Difference minus sa Manila. Grade 3 na ni siya. So, naiubang mga lesson na wala po. So, that is the difference. They're asking the difference. So,
Miss, I thought I don't need to do minus. I thought I need to do plus.
no, difference, asking for the difference now. What is the difference of you and me? I'm taller, you're shorter than me. That's the difference. Okay? What is the difference of grade 3 and grade 2? So grade 2 is, they are smaller. Grade 3 is bigger. So that is difference. Okay?
Miss, you just remember me of my cousin right here.
Who?
My cousin,
Who is that? What's the name?
Muhammad.
Which class?
Grade 2. That is in front of us.
Grade 2 today? This year? Grade 2?
Yeah, that is the class that is in front of
In
us.
front of Miss Lina's class? Your cousin? You're going same bus, walking bus? Or no? Going in a girls section? You both? She has sister also? Or she's going with you?
Who?
This cousin you have?
Oh, he has two sisters that are like my best friend.
Ah, there. Okay. Where you live? Where is your home?
Oh, in Kuwait.
Kawanich what? 1, 2?
One, I think.
1, I think. Which? Okay. You're going by car. Kawanich.
I think my mom say I can't go bus until I'm grade 4. I think
So
maybe
grade 4 maybe you'll go by bus.
I will tell my mom I'm
But
still in this school.
who pick up you and drop you here? Mom or the driver?
My mom, but today my dad took, my dad let me go.
Go in the afternoon.
Yeah, my dad doesn't want to know where the school is.
Huh?
Then my
It's
sister
your
show
first-
him where that is.
Okay, there's a map na in the mobile. Your dad is busy.
Very, 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 very.
Not every day in the home.
He has a lot of calls.
Your dad is a police? No.
Yeah,
It's like that. Police.
yeah, police, but not like the police.
Not like the police that are going around. And maybe the higher position. Because I know the area of Cabanich, mostly living there are have Babas police. This area.
I want to go. I want to now go to my sister. No, I want to go to my brother at school right now.
This grade 11. You are allowed? You're allowed to go? And your brother? Brother's school? Not allowed?
Like my big brother, where his school is, my little, like my bigger brother that is grade 9.
The next to it?
Yeah, it's the same school. But my younger brother does not go like sleep. They only like have
School
day
every
they
day.
have test.
Same what you're doing. Coming and going home. Only the older.
Every day he has test. Every single
Like this? Test? Yala, continue your test now. Chismosa pa din bataan ni oy. Chismis pagtak. Maurot na sa natong in-English usahay, no? Pero kaya po. Makalearn sa tagamay. Diba? Kaya ang mga bata ang po dili kaya di man kaayo po. Like, siguro mga 30% ano sa English. Fluent sa English. Pero yung iba, bara na ako. Ito masyado. Mga ano lang yun, less. No toner. Meron na? Nag-print, ano na? Pero sa email, hindi nakapaprint eh. Walang lumabas.
Nakita ko mga ano dito ng ano, toner.
Yellow kasi wala. Printer. Pero hindi lang walang toner. Pero at least nakaprint na ko upang hair decoration. Clock na naman siya. Where's the short?
The short is right here.
In the middle of? You can say it's 1 because it's still in the middle of 12 and 1. And the long hand is where?
No, because
Just choose an answer if you don't know. Di mo pwede na ako tudluan ta.